Can you believe that a creature as magnificent as this miniature dragon begins its life as something as fragile as a speck of dust? Seahorses are among the strangest marine creatures on the planet, yet raising them from birth is an extreme challenge that few dare to attempt. Will one be able to keep this tiny life alive and witness its spectacular color transformation?
Join me on a 6-month journey of raising a seahorse.
Our main character is Hippocampus, who can change color to Sunburst Orange, freshly born from its father's brood pouch. To recreate its natural habitat, I use a tall glass tank, because seahorses move vertically with an extremely gentle water flow to prevent exhaustion. The greatest challenge here is not the water, but food. Seahorses do not have a true stomach. They must eat constantly. I prepared a live Artemia brine shrimp larvae and Copepod hatching system to feed this tiny eating machine 24/7.
My goal is to document their development of spines, skeletal changes, and especially their ability to change color for camouflage.
The first 2 weeks are an all-or-nothing phase. The baby seahorse is shorter than a little finger joint and cannot yet use its tail to anchor itself. It drifts like plankton. Every day, I must feed it 5 times. The biggest challenge is cleaning the tank. Excess food easily leads to toxic ammonia buildup, but strong water changes can kill the fry. I have to use a dropper tube to remove each speck of debris from the tank bottom. An exercise in suffocating patience. On day 45, an exciting moment occurs. It wraps its tail tightly around a strand of seaweed for the first time. This is a sign that its musculoskeletal system has developed. Its hunting behavior changes completely. Instead of chasing prey, it ambushes, its eyes moving independently, one forward, one backward, and snaps up prey in 1/500th of a second. The faint click sound it makes when sucking in food can be heard if you press your ear close to the tank. This is when the experiment becomes most fascinating. Initially, the seahorse is jet black to hide in darkness. But when I change the tank background to a lighter color and add brightly colored corals, it begins activating its pigment cells, chromatophores. Within 2 weeks, yellow spots emerge from the black base, gradually shifting to pale orange. Under a magnifying lens, I observe rough skin structures developing small spines, making it resemble a dead coral branch. This is not merely growth, it is masterful camouflage. However, this phase also brings challenges. It becomes picky with food and refuses frozen options, forcing me to retrain its feeding from scratch. After 6 months, the results are truly satisfying. From a dull 1 centimeter creature, I now have a 12 centimeter seahorse with a vibrant orange body accented by metallic gold patterns. Biologically, this transformation demonstrates the seahorse's remarkable adaptability. Their coloration is not fixed but influenced by mood, surroundings, and diet. The experiment also highlights the importance of water flow and live food. A minor water parameter mistake in month 3 nearly cost its life due to gas bubble disease. This success is built on 70% environmental control and 30% nutrition. Raising seahorses is not for the impatient. Their transformation taught me a lesson in nature's subtlety. The most beautiful things require time and meticulous care to reveal themselves. If you wish to challenge yourself with these sea dragons, prepare your knowledge thoroughly. And now the next question is, how will this seahorse react when it has a partner? Stay tuned for next video.